Damn! This is so delicious. Oh my god, there's thunder outside. Never have I ever been a pina colada kind of guy. Yet here I am making two variations with only a few weeks apart. I recently made the Café Colada. You can check that out after this video. But right now, we're making the Pina Verde. A while back, I got an order for a Pina Verde at the bar, and I'd never heard of it, so the guest actually had to tell me the ingredients. Most of the time, when I get orders that I never heard of, it's usually because they might be ordering something that is a local or a signature cocktail from somewhere else. But after a quick research, I realized that this was an actual modern classic, and that really hurt my ego that I didn't know, that I'd never heard of it. I guess that's something I gotta work on. It's okay. You don't have to know all cocktails. This cocktail was created by ERICK CASTRO. ERICK CASTRO is a long-term bartender and what I like to call a hospitality entrepreneur. He's part of Polite Provisions in San Diego, Boilermaker in New York City, and he's got a podcast called Bartender at Large. He's also part of a consulting company called Simple Serve. Anyway, he's a real cool guy and I'll leave links down below if you want to check him out. Alright, so now for the ingredients. Pretty standard pina colada stuff except for the base spirit, which is actually a liqueur. We'll be using green chartreuse, which is an herbaceous high-proof liqueur made by Carthusian monks in France. I talk about this in this video. Then we're gonna need a coconut cream. I made my own and I'll leave the recipe down below. It's very simple to make, but if you have Coca Lopez or some other brand at home, use that. That's fine. Pineapple juice and some fresh lime juice. And that's it. I'm starting with my coconut cream, 3/4 ounce. Half an ounce of lime juice, 1.5 ounces of your pineapple juice, and 1.5 ounces of your green chartreuse. Don't forget to put the lid on. Okay, full disclosure, as I was shooting this, as I was making the cocktail and shooting my B-roll and my extra footage, I made a boo-boo. So I had to remake the cocktail, and what did I do with the first one? Well, I drank it, of course. I'm not gonna throw it out, it's green chartreuse. And now I am actually a little bit tipsy, and green chartreuse will do that to you. It's great. But anyway, let me have a taste. I can't really describe this. This is just so freaking yummy. Actually, you know what? Leandro over at Educated Barfly, he says it better than I do. Watch this.
Where have you been all my life? You, my friend, are a genius.
It's pretty freaking good. And I concur. ERICK CASTRO, you're a genius. Damn, this is good. Get me some more chartreuse. What's your favorite pina colada variation? Let me know in the comments. And if you haven't had this, right now, go make it. You can thank me later. I'll see you next Friday. God damn. I think I nailed it. I think I nailed it good.